Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Hey guys, how's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And hey, yeah. So it's I'm doing another Meet the Manufacturer series. This one's an Indonesian company called ABC. Got a couple I'm doing today. Check this out. Me ABC Selera Pedas, and it's their spicy beef. So this is a mee goreng. Cook the noodles for 3 minutes, drain them, add everything in, stir it on up, and there you go. So let's get to it. Oh man, what a day! What a day! I'm just gonna leave it at that, cause I'm good. I'm good on the what a day part, and trying some spicy beef. Indonesian product sounds absolutely wunderbaden. So comes with a powder and a dual sachet. There's this one and this one, and I think it mentions that sounds like this one's like ultra spicy. Maybe this one? I don't know. We'll see. It mentions using a little bit more, or all of it. And if you use all of it, it'll be like ultra spicy. So, yeah. But yeah, what's shaking? I ruined an egg. I made another one. It survived. You'll see that in the next one. And let's do this. I made some beef that I sauteed with this stuff called sweet soy sauce. And if you're not familiar with sweet soy sauce, it is like a staple in Indonesian cooking. So it's almost kind of molassesy, really. It's sweet, it's tasty. Here's right here. And this ABC company, they're known for their instant noodles, but they're mostly known for their sauces. So they've got the sweet soy sauce, and you'll also find this. I've never seen this before. They just sent it. Thank you very much. I've seen. Yeah, sweet sambal chili sauce. I usually see this as manis pedas or extra pedas, just like it's like a spicy sweet sauce. At least I think it is. I think this one's sweet. Let's yes. Not so sweet, but very tasty. Wow. I like that. I like that a lot. I've really had a hard time finding Indonesian sauces that I don't like. Usually very strong. The bakso type of stuff, like sambal, some of it will like rip your head off and throw it across the yard because it's so spicy. But that one's just about right, I think. I can see myself using that often. So, we've got 13 seconds left on the clock, so we'll let that run out, and then I'm going to drain this, add in all the liquids, stir it up, and then we'll give it a taste and see how spicy this spicy noodle is. So drain her off. son's out in the living room making funny noises. Yeah, what was the deal with today? Oh, yeah, I ruined eggs. There's a lot of screaming. There was a noise complaint from the neighbor, but even though it was like right when my alarm went off, it wasn't from here, and I didn't hear it, so I don't know. But the apartment people sent me a copy of it. I guess the people down below sent an audio file of it, and yeah, that would have gotten me complaining. My guess is because it was windy last night, I think. I could totally be off base on this, but I think maybe the neighbor next door maybe had some like chairs on the deck, or it could have been something we have on the deck, honestly. But I don't think so. But it could have been that rattling around, causing some noisy noise. If it was, and you're a fan, I apologize. But yeah. I just remember my alarm going off, getting up, and then doing some typing, but not what sounded like somebody hitting the floor with a hammer. Which, well, that would irritate me at 3:30, 3:40 in the morning. Stirring. Spicy beef. I'm kind of wondering if this is going to end up like not a Indonesian spicy, but maybe more of a Korean one, because the spicy thing has gotten the Korean spicy has gotten so popular that a lot of countries are doing their own takes on it. But this smells really good. And it does smell beefy. I like that. All right, ladies and gentlemen. There we are. Let's give it a try. Wow. That is spicy. And it's really good too. It's not just that it's spicy, it's got a nice richness to it. And you know what, I'm gonna add some mung bean sprouts in right in with them. Woo! Go. I'm going to use this plate. I originally was going to use that one. I'm going to use this one. Because that's how I feel. Wow, that really does pack a punch. This is very, and it's a nice flavor. It's different. Savory beef. Okay, and as I mentioned, I sauteed some beef with sweet soy sauce, and I added some sesame seeds. There we are. And have I an egg? Have I an egg? I have an egg. Let go. It looks like it's threatening a little rain outside, but we've been doing a lot of walking. Come on. And I don't think a little bit of rain is going to stop us from doing more. that'll be fun this afternoon when my wife gets home. Drop on some coriander. And honestly, I think we can call it a day with that. What do you think? Maybe a little bit more spice. Actually, I really dig this stuff, so I don't know if this is the right thing to do. Actually, first, too much stemminess. I want to put a little bit of this on top of the, just right on top. Yeah. And maybe a little bit of this. No, I think we'll go with that. Maybe I'll add that on the next one. Let's get you all ready for some rotation. And here we go, spinning it up. Yeah, wow, my lips are still burning. I'm gonna have to do a mukbang of this one. Yeah. I don't know the last time I did an Indonesian mukbang. It's been a while. Well, last time I did it, it wasn't hot like this, so. Alright. Thank you very much to the folks at ABC for shooting this over, and this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.